Hey folks, so much cooler today than it was yesterday, but now tonight, about the same as we were last night. Once we get to this point, we kind of level out. Look at all the clouds, though. It is just overcast out there, and there's even been a little bit of drizzle moving across from time to time, but nothing big, and we don't expect anything big. Maybe, again, a little drizzle, that's about it. And tomorrow starts with clouds and cool temperatures. As the day goes on, those clouds may thin out, maybe even a little bit of late day sunshine. Not very much, but maybe a little bit. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon warm up just a little bit. Sunday's a different story. The wind kicks up out of the south, maybe some morning fog, but after that temperatures take off and we warm up probably into the mid to upper 80s on Sunday. Another front on Monday will try to cool things off a little bit, but it's not going to do very much. It's a slight cool down. The next stronger front comes in on Wednesday. That one will probably make a difference. So maybe a little spotty drizzle in the morning, only 10%. We're dry on Sunday, and then Monday, the next front, gives us about a 20% chance of a few showers. These are the current temperatures. We're all in the upper 50s right now. 58 in Rio Grande City, McAllen, 56 in Raymondville, 59 in Port Isabel. Temperatures don't go down much more tonight, in the mid 50s valley-wide, but then tomorrow with that brightening sky, we warm back up into the low to mid 70s in the west, upper 60s in the east. Still a cool day, still a lot of clouds, maybe that sprinkle or two, but at least we start the warming trend. And look at Sunday, back to 85, records 88. We'll be knocking on that door. And then 78 on Monday, a little bit cooler, but not much, courtesy of Monday's cool front. Now, the rest of Texas, there is some cold air in place. 42 in Longview, 45 in Dallas. That cold air, they're going much more eastward than southward, so we're just getting sideswiped by it, cooling off a little, but not very much. We are picking up clouds, not here, not just here, but all the way up to Dallas today. And those clouds will stick around tonight into early tomorrow. The sprinkles will move away, though. I think by tomorrow afternoon we see some breaks. By Sunday, we see a lot of breaks. We see some sunshine, temperatures warm up, but then Monday, here comes the next front. That pushes the hot air out of here. So instead of being in the 80s, it'll be in the 70s. And then again, Wednesday of next week, that's the next front. Doesn't show up on this map, but it'll be there Wednesday, sliding through, and that one could bring some significantly cooler temperatures for the middle part of next week. Headed to the coast, get your weekend started there. It's Kite Fest tomorrow. That'll be fun. We'll be dealing with a westerly wind at Kite Fest in the morning. 65 degrees to start the day. Temperatures stay mostly in the upper 60s, so a light jacket probably in order. A lot of clouds around, but fun to watch the kites. UV index is moderate. Rip current risk is as well. The surf temperature is 59. The bay is at 60 right now with a light chop. Seas are 2 to 4 feet. There are your tides. So for tonight, a low of 53, cloudy skies, and maybe some really light drizzle around, but not much. And then tomorrow, back to 70. May take all day to get there, but it'll be back to 70 at least instead of 50s and 60s. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And we go to 85 on Sunday. Still 78 behind the front on Monday. Tuesday back to 86 again, and then 75 and falling on Wednesday. So Wednesday's temperature, you know, there's a lot of debate about what that's going to be. It depends on the timing of the front. Front comes early, we'll not get close to 75. Front comes late in the day, we could be in the 80s again. So kind of going down the middle right now. But bottom line is that front means business. It'll be cooler for the end of next week.
You know, I just remembered late this afternoon, it is Groundhog Day.
It
and
is.
I read up 6 more weeks of winter.
Yes, but you know, Valley winter, that's probably okay.
Yeah, that's great.
We'll take it here, exactly.
Yes, definitely.
Punxsutawney Phil saw a shower. Brownsville Bob did not. You know, so maybe it's hard to say what's going to happen.
All right, sounds good. Thanks so much, Tim. And Joelle is here with some 5-on-5 action.